morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let everybody join, then we'll start. We will do English language. Good morning. English language. Comprehension. English language comprehension. Can you see the heading on the board? Yes or no, Divya? Yes. We are going to do comprehension today. Comprehension means unseen passage. Comprehension means unseen passage. Yes, a paragraph will be given to you, or anything will be given to you which you have not read before. And based on that paragraph, there will be few questions. You have to read the paragraph twice, thrice, and then answer the questions. Okay? We did unseen passage in half yearlies also. In half yearly exam, unseen passage was there. So you already know how to how to do answer the questions. You already know. All right. We all know what is unseen passage. In the half yearlies also I told you that when you get any passage, you have to read it in your mind, not loudly. Unseen passage is always read in the mind, without the movement of the lips, without the movement of the voice. No voice, no sound, no movement of the lips. In the mind, you have to read the paragraph once, twice, thrice until you understand it properly. Then you come on to the questions. You start the questions. Read the question, then you have to look for the answer in the passage. All answers which are asked in the questions of the passage you will get in the paragraph only. None of the question is none of the question will come from outside the passage. Yes, who is asking what? Any doubt? No. Okay. So now I am going to give you a comprehension passage and questions based on it. And what about the previous class exercises? All of you have done phrasal verbs till now. All exercises done, and letter also done and learn. Letter learn. Okay. Have you all learned it, or like that only you are saying yes, ma'am? Without learning, you are saying yes. Learn. Once I will finish the revision, I will start taking test also, oral test. Then I will see how much you all have learned and how much are saying like that only. Ma'am, learn. Without learning, ma'am, learn. And the first child whom I am going to ask will be Divya Hamija. He says, ma'am, learn without learning. I know. So Divya Hamija will answer. Okay, Divya? Yes. So Divya Hamija, make sure you learn the letter. And don't say like this only, ma'am, learn. Okay? All right. Comprehension. So, in the book also, few comprehension and passages are given to you. Page number 157, comprehension starts. One poem is given, My Pet Dog, page number 157. Then when you will turn the page, then Ricky Tikki Tavi is given. This is a unseen, this is also a passage which is Yes, then I'm a tiger and I need your help. This is also unseen passage. Mother Teresa, this is also unseen passage. The red flower, this is also unseen passage. So in the book, there are five unseen passages given to you. As a practice, you can do it in the book itself for your practice. Right? It starts from page number 157. There are five comprehension passages given to you. You can do it in the book only in your free time to practice. The more you'll practice, the more perfect you'll become. Okay? Mute your mics, all of you. Now open your fair copies and on a fresh page, put heading comprehension. I have written on the board. Put heading comprehension. I'm going to give you one paragraph, and on that paragraph, few questions will be there that you have to answer. Right? Quickly put the heading and be very fast in writing. Comprehension. And make sure all your cameras are on. I want to see whether you are writing or not. And some children, all right, heading comprehension written. All right, now start writing with blue pen. One day, one day, comma, one day, a wonderful plate. One day, a wonderful plate. One day, a wonderful plate. My mic is on, beta. One day, a wonderful plate made of gold. Mute your mics, all of you, then you will be easily hear me. One day, a wonderful plate of made up of gold. One day, a wonderful plate made up of gold fell from heaven. Fell from heaven. Fell from heaven into into temples apostrophe s temples court. I'm repeating. You all mute your mic. I will repeat the sentence 2 3 times. I'm going to repeat the sentence 2 3 times. Wait. Just keep listening and writing. One day, comma, a wonderful plate made up of gold fell from heaven into a temple's court. Into a temple's apostrophe s in temple. Temple's court. 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 Right? I'm saying do not on your mind. I'm repeating the sentence so many times. Still, you all are doing the same thing. Please be a good listener. When I say a sentence, keep those words in your mind and keep writing. Do not distract yourself. 5 times I have already repeated the sentence. Like this, how we are going to finish the paragraph in one period? We will not be able to finish with this speed. One day, comma, a wonderful plate made up of gold fell from heaven into a temple's court. Full stop. The following words, the following, FOLLOWING, the following words, 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 were, were inscribed on the plate. Inscribed, INSCRIBED. INSCRIBED. The following words were inscribed on the plate. Put a dash and open inverted comma like this. See here. After plate, dash, inverted comma open. After plate, dash, inverted comma open. Now, write a gift. A gift. Now, a will be capital because after inverted comma, we have studied in punctuation marks and in direct speech that after inverted comma, the first letter is always capital. So, write a gift from heaven. A gift from heaven to him, to him, to him, who loves. A gift from heaven to him who loves mankind, mankind the best. A gift from heaven to him who loves mankind the best. Full stop, inverted comma, close. A gift from heaven. I am repeating, I am saying, do not say this sentence. I am already repeating 2, 3, 4, 5 times every sentence. Please write fast and be a good listener. A gift from heaven to him who loves mankind the best. Full stop, inverted comma, close. The priest, Priest, the priest, invited people, invited, the priest invited people. Agam's camera is off, then Arham Abid camera is off, Arnav camera is off, Sakshi, Athar, the priest invited people, INVITED, invited people to the temple. The priest invited people to the temple. Anya is looking very cute. Nice cap. The priest invited people to the temple and and told them about told them about the gift from heaven and told them about the gift from heaven. And told them about the gift from heaven. Full stop. Written till here, everybody. I am repeating again. One day, a wonderful plate made up of gold fell from heaven into a temple's court. The following words were inscribed on the plate: a gift from heaven to him who loves the mankind. The priest invited the people to the temple and told them about the gift from heaven. Full stop. Continue. Everybody claimed, 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 claimed. Everybody claimed. Everybody claimed that he loved mankind the best. That he loved mankind the best. That he loved mankind the best. Everybody claimed that he loved mankind the best. Full stop. Then, then each one, then each one, then each one got up, then each one got up, then each one got up, and one by one, then each one got up, and one by one narrated, 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 and narrated his own, his own kind deeds, his own kind deeds, his own kind deeds, 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 full stop. Everybody claimed that he loved mankind the best. Then each one got up, then each one got up, and one by one, then each one got up, and one by one narrated his own kind deeds. Then each one got up, and one by one narrated his own kind deeds. Full stop. Written till here, all of you? Okay. Okay. Continue. Continue. As soon as soon as soon as they touched the plate, as soon as they touched the plate, as soon as they touched the plate, comma, it turned into lead. It turned, T-U-R-N-E-D, turned. Zaina Shafiq has left, so Zaina is absent for today. As soon as they touched the plate, it turned into lead. Lead, lead. Now the gold plate turned into the lead plate. Till here, the paragraph says, one day a wonderful plate came from heaven into a temple and something was written on the plate. It was written that this plate will belong to that person who love the mankind most, who means who love the people the most, the humanity, the humble person. Then the priest of the temple, he invited everybody and told them about the gift. Then everybody claimed that yes, I am very good, I love humanity, I love mankind, and they started telling about their good things. Then they started touching also the plate, and as soon as everybody started touching the plate turned into lead. The gold plate turned into lead. This means that the people by whom touching the plate become lead, though those people were not the good people, means they did not love the mankind. As soon as they touched the plate, it turned into lead. Full stop. Then the richest man, the richest man in the village, then the richest man in the village got up. Then the richest man in the village got up and and spoke, spoke. The richest man got up and his his great spoke about his great charitable deeds. Charitable deeds. CHARITABLE. Charitable. DEEDS. Deeds. Full stop. The richest man got up and spoke about his charitable deeds. Now, since the time is up, we are stopping the class here. Then we will continue English, this paragraph comprehension in the next English class, that is tomorrow. In 10 minutes, we are going to meet for maths class. Okay?